to be wise. Number 12 has to do with trading account options and features, right? Very good brokers generally offer multiple account types, right? They will have standard accounts, they will have pro account, they will have premium accounts, they will have swap free accounts. And the brokers that I'm going to be sharing with you here have got all of these features because I believe you deserve the best and then you should definitely get the best. Don't go anywhere that you'll be scammed or you lose your money because it's important. You are trying to put money to make money and you are also trying to gain this knowledge. So if the broker does not offer different accounts, just offers one account, don't join that broker. That's why when someone offers you a certain broker, go and download the app, look through the app, follow step by step everything that you've learned about how to choose a good broker in this video. Watch if they have those characteristics, if they are regulated, right? If they have options to trade different commodities and even to trade indices, synthetic indices. So brokers have something they call synthetic indices, which is also similar to Forex trading, right? They trade commodities instead of currencies. Another one has to do with options for managing funds, right? Having options to deposit and withdraw funds from a trading account can be handy. Typically, what credit card deposits are the most popular, efficient, and simple ways, right? So they need to have options if you want to withdraw your money, right? Let's say you want to make a deposit or you want to make a withdrawal, they need to have options. Look at the broker, go to the withdraw manual or the withdraw tab on the app and check what means do they have. Are they just using credit card? If they're using credit card, how about people that have cryptocurrency? Can't they fund their accounts with cryptocurrency? How about people that do not have cryptocurrency? They have banking system and all of that, online banking system. Do they have a platform or do they have a processing path for them? What is their processing fee? How much do they charge? How long does the fund take? Let's say you enter a trade and you have a profit. Let's say you have a profit of $5,000 and you've withdrawn your money. You try to withdraw your money. How long does it take for you to get your money? You need to know that. Another thing to identify a very good broker has to do with trading education, right? So the broker has to offer trading education. They have to, when you go through the app, you need to see a blog post about trading. You need to see trading opportunities. You need to see them let's say yearly, weekly, monthly, posting opportunities on how to educate you about their app, how to educate you about the forex market, because forex market is a continuous learning environment. You keep on learning, you keep on enhancing your skills, right? How they can help you and teach you to keep on going. So you need to be conscious of that. If you go through a broker, someone just sends a broker to you, a broker app, and tells you, oh, go and download this broker app. You must check if they have an education platform. Another thing is the reputation. Sometimes the only way to find out if a broker is the right one is to try them out, right? So try out different brokers. However, doing a bit of research first certainly helps narrow the field. So things like checking on their reviews, check on their reviews because it gives them reputation. Go on Google, search the broker's name, and then add reviews about this broker, right? Discussions on trading forums, right? You see what people are saying about them, news releases, their awards. These brokers, what awards have they won? Are they publicly listed as a financial company, or are they listed? Do they list their financial information? It can vary, but you need to understand these things because money should not be wasted. It should be used very well, right? You don't just go and put your money on some broker because someone has told you. Even normally in life, you don't just put your money on something because someone has told you. Do your research, review, okay? So how do I calculate Forex trading cost. So depending on the account type that you have, right? There are three major factors to consider when you are calculating the Forex trading cost, but you have to get one first here, right? In my subsequent videos, we get more. One is the spread, right? The difference between the bid and the ask price. So every time you go into your Forex trading app, your MetaTrader 5, and then you click buy or you click sell, right? There is a spread there. Maybe sometimes some brokers can be $1, some can be $7. It can be more, right? Or it can be less. So you need to look at the spread, right? And understand the spread. Then you can abruptly try to understand it before you can place a trade or open a position, so you know how much you are going to lose or how much you are going to gain, because the spread is there winning. So how do I know if my broker is regulated, right? So majority of brokers will display their regulatory information at the bottom of their site, right? Their website, along with their risk disclaimer, meaning they tell you forex trading is risky. If you lose your money, then their own is not to be considered in it. But definitely, if you have a good strategy, you are not gonna lose your money. Okay, you need to be focused. You need to verify the information. Don't just go to the website of a broker and you say, oh, this is a good broker. I've seen people. Anybody can just make a website and then post it. You need to verify. So these are the best brokers in Nigeria. We have XNES, we have HFM, we have XM. So if you're in Nigeria and you want a broker, go to your Google Play Store right now, or your Apple Play Store or so. Go there right now and download these apps, whichever one you choose. But a lot of people around the world use XNES. XNES, EXNESS, right? But these ones are the best that you could get if you're in Nigeria and you are there at the moment and you want to start trading the forex market. I would advise you try to get these apps. They are good. They are very good apps that you can use and trade without having any sort of issues. If you are in Kenya and you want to start trading, right? So best brokers with M-Pesa in Kenya, we have HFM, we have FX, Pesa, we have XNES, we have FX Pro, right? You trade like a pro, and by any means also, these brokers, I'm not doing an advert for them. They are not paying me for anything. I just want to share knowledge and make you stay on the safer side, so you won't choose all these scam brokers that are around. Choose ones that are regulated, ones that people know about, a lot of people are using. So we have forex brokers in South Africa, very good ones too, right? We have Robo Forex, Black Bull, Pepperstone, Witzel Trading, FBS. We have VT Markets, Vantage, FP Markets. We have Moneta Markets. We have IC Markets. So these are the major brokers in South Africa. So if you're in South Africa, you can leave a comment in my comment section and tell me which of these brokers is the best for you and why is it considered the best. And also in Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know which of these brokers is the best for you and why do you think is the best. So the greatest, the one that is used widely and respected, even in synthetic indices, has to be called what? Deriv. So if you are using Deriv app, I guess this is an opportunity for you. If you want a broker that is widely used, go to your Google Play Store now, type Deriv. They've been here for more than 25 years and they have a trusted innovation service that you can join at the moment. It's on Google Play Store. You go, you type Deriv, and then I'll be making a video on how to use this broker very soon. after I make the video on leverage on margins. So this is one great broker that a lot of people use, especially people